We're back again. Time for another lesson in math, my friends. Okay, that was horrible. Horrible. I'm just kidding. All right, lesson 31. We are with math today. Like I said, we're going to jump around a lot this next couple lessons. So yesterday we did 28 and 29. Today we're doing 31. The day before this we did 30. And the next lesson will be 32. And then we're going back to 26 and 27. I haven't lost my mind, I promise. There's a reason we do it. But let's look at 31 today. I can solve math stories with drawings. We know how to do this. We've done this so many times. But guess what today is? Subtraction. We're going to do it with subtraction. Okay? So let's look at what you're going to start with, because we got to warm up that brain. What happened to my pen? Here we go. Oh, you're not doing this one. We're not beep counting. A lot of beep counting. We're not going to beep count. We're going to do this one. My good friend Dash is back today. You're going to practice your number bond dash. Remember, you set it for 2 minutes, or if you really want to give yourself a challenge, you do it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. See if you can do all of those in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Remember, you're looking for the part to solve for 10. So pause here. Go dash over to your Google Classroom. Find your fluency for today. Do that with 2 minutes or 1 minute and 30 seconds. See which one you can do. And then come back to me and we're going to do our application problem. Don't forget, you need your whiteboard and your detective hat. So let's pause. Let's get ready. Hello, friends. We're back. Detective Ray in the house this time. Let's get this application going. Now, if you'll notice, my application looks different today. I have words at the top. I have words at the bottom. Let's look at the words at the top first, then we'll go to the bottom. Shanika saw 5 pigeons on the roof. Some more pigeons flew onto the roof. Then she counted 8 pigeons. How many pigeons flew over? Doesn't tell us what we need to do, does it? This is where this comes in. Let's read down here. Write a number bond and both addition and subtraction number sentences to match the story. We're going to box the solution in your number sentences and include a statement to answer the question. So down here today tells us what we need to solve for. Interesting. Okay, or what we do need to do to solve. So let's go. First thing, it tells us we have to do a number bond. I'm going to draw my blank template. Then it tells me to write both an addition and subtraction number sentence. I can draw a blank addition and I can draw a blank subtraction. Okay? Then it's going to tell me I have to box the solution in my number sentences and include a statement. Now remember, the statement is a sentence to answer the question. My question is, how many pigeons flew over? Okay, so let's go back for clues. Good detectives always look for clues. Shanika saw 5 pigeons on the roof. I see a clue. We have 5 pigeons on the roof. So I'm going to circle my 5 pigeons on the roof. Okay, some more pigeons flew onto the roof. How many pigeons flew? We don't know that. That's a clue. That's a mystery right now. Some more, okay? Some more pigeons flew onto the roof. So she then counted 8 pigeons. Is that a clue? Yep, it is. 8 pigeons. All right, so how many pigeons flew over? Now, let's take our clues that we do know. We know that she saw 5 pigeons on the roof. Now, is that going to be our part or is that going to be a whole? That's just part of it. We had 5 pigeons on the roof. So I'm going to draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 5. Okay. And then some more flew onto the roof. Do we know how many flew onto the roof? No. We just know that there's some more. So that's the one where can't quite crack that clue yet. So where'd it go? Then she counted 8 pigeons. So I'm gonna put a question mark here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is my total. Now I can take the information I do have and I can go ahead and fill in some of my number sentences, okay? So I know that the total is 8 in my addition sentence because we have 5 that are on the roof, some more that flew over, and then there were 8 on the roof, okay? Remember, if I'm subtracting, I'm gonna put my total first. We had 8 pigeons on the roof. 5 were already there, some more flew over, okay? Now, can we box the solution already in our number sentences? Yeah, because it's the question mark right now. We don't know what it is yet, but we can still box it. Now, let's solve. Let's think of our strategies. What can we do? Strategies we know. I know with addition, I can count on from 5. 5 in our brain. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 more. So I'm going to put a 3 here. Now, with this subtraction sentence, am I taking anything away? No, I'm not taking it away because we had 5 on the roof and then some more flew to the roof. So we have 2 groups of pigeons, 5 that are already on the roof and then some more. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this picture that I have of my total 8 and I'm going to circle the 5. That's my 5 that are on the roof already. How many flew? 1, 2, 3. Oh, guys, let's look at this. Did I have 3 in both? I did. So what is my mystery? How many flew? How many pigeons flew over? 3 pigeons. So let's write our statement. 3 pigeons flew over. Make sure I put a period. Okay, so now, did we write a number bond? Check. Did you do both addition and subtraction sentences? Yep. Did you box the solution? Yes, we did. And did we write a statement? 3 pigeons flew over. How many pigeons flew over? 3 pigeons flew over. So did we close this case? Absolutely we did, because we solved. We now know that only 3 pigeons flew over the roof, okay? So 5 pigeons were on the roof, 3 more flew over, and now there are 8 pigeons on my roof, okay? So we have solved this case. Go ahead and erase your board, and let's get ready for Miss Curry with our video, okay? Okay, friends, let's get us ready for Miss Curry. Remember, you're going to need your whiteboard so that you can follow along with Miss Curry and myself, and that you can solve these problems with us, okay? So let's make the video big, and let's go. Excuse me, I got the hiccups.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Curry, and today we're going to solve math problems by using drawings. I borrowed 7 books from the library and put them in my backpack. On my way home, I stopped at my friend's house and lent some of the books to my friend. That means I let my friend borrow them, knowing I'd get them back so I could return them to the library. Will my backpack have more or fewer books than what I had first borrowed from the library?
I think fewer.
That's right. I will have fewer books in my backpack because fewer means less than. There are 5 books left in my backpack. How many books did I lend to my friend? Well, let's draw a number bond to find out.
Okay.
On your whiteboard,
go ahead and draw.
Number bond. Let's start with what we know. I borrowed 7 books from the library. Is 7 a part or the total?
That's going to be my total because it's all
Seven
of the books
is
she
the
borrowed.
total. So let's write 7 right here. And I'm going to label this T for total. What else do we know?
We know that we had 5 left over.
There are 5 books left in my backpack. Is 5 part of the total?
5 is part of my total.
It is. So let's write 5 right here. And how should we label this? How about L for leftover books? What does this box represent?
That's how many we lent our friend or let her borrow.
This is our mystery number. This is our unknown. It's how many books I lent my friend. Well, lent starts with an L, but I already have L here for leftover. So what if I label this F for friend? So I remember that this is the box that shows how many books I lent my friend. This is the box that has the 5 books left over in my backpack. And this is how many books I had total. Let's write a number sentence.
Okay.
How did the story begin?
We had 7 books from the
I
library.
borrowed 7 books from the library. So let's write 7. What happened next?
Then I lent some.
I
To
gave
a
away
friend.
some books. So use minus and then a box because we don't know yet how many books I lent to my friend. What happened last?
Then
In
we,
other words, how can I continue this number sentence?
then we had 5 books still in our backpack.
I ended up with 5 books still in my backpack. So 7 minus something equals 5. Excellent. Let's make a math drawing to show what we know so far. Draw with me.
All right, let's do 7 first.
Let's start with our total books.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Draw 7 circles in a row. These are the books I borrowed from the library. Let's group the circles together to show how many books I have left.
Okay, how many do we have left over? 5. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to circle them.
Did you circle 5 circles? What are these that I didn't group?
These were our 2 that we lent our friend.
These are the books I lent my friend. How can we show that I gave these away?
If we give something away, what do we do to it?
We can cross them out. Let's write a number sentence to show what we did.
So we had
7
books,
total books.
2 books
Minus.
we crossed out.
The 2 books I lent my friend equals 5 books still in my backpack. How many books did I give away?
We gave
2
2 books.
Circle the part of the number sentence that shows that answer. Let's try another one.
Okay, go ahead.
Erase your board.
I'm going to pause for a second and we're going to erase everything. Now, I noticed that we circled and marked out today. Yesterday we did either the marking out if something was taken away or we circled to show the different groups. Today we are doing both. So be very careful.
Listen to my story. We caught 9 grasshoppers in a jar. Some of them jumped away. And now there are 6 grasshoppers left in the jar. Do I have more or fewer grasshoppers than when we first caught the 9 grasshoppers? There are fewer grasshoppers in the jar because some of them jumped away, and we know that fewer means less than. There are 6 grasshoppers still in the jar. How many grasshoppers jumped away? Let's make a number bond to find out.
Okay, so draw your number bond.
On your whiteboard, draw a number bond.
Okay,
What was 9 in our story?
9 was our total or a whole.
It was the number of grasshoppers that we caught. Is that a part or the total?
I told you the answer. It's our
It is the total. So let's write 9 here and label it C for caught grasshoppers. What else do we know?
We know that some jumped away, and now we have 6.
There are 6 grasshoppers left in the jar. Is 6 part of our total grasshoppers?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it is. Let's write 6 in this section and label it L for left. Now you'll notice that this is the left side of our number bond, but left in this case means left over, and it just happens to also be on the left side. What does the empty box represent?
That's how many we have that jumped away.
It
That's our
represents
mystery.
the part of the grasshoppers that jumped away. So let's label that with a question mark because it's our mystery number, and we'll label it with a J for jumped away. Let's write a number sentence. How did the story begin?
We caught 9 grasshoppers.
9 grasshoppers. What happened next?
Then some jumped away.
Some of the grasshoppers jumped away. So we will write minus a mystery number. What happened last? In other words, how can we continue the number sentence?
Then we had 6 that were still in our jar.
We know that there are 6 grasshoppers left in the jar. So we know that 9 minus something equals 6. Draw with me 9 circles.
All right, here we go.
To represent our 9 total
1,
grasshoppers.
2,
Ready?
3,
1,
4,
2,
6,
3,
7,
4,
9.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you need extra time, push pause now and I'll be right here when you get back. Let's group the circles together that show the number of grasshoppers left in the jar.
Okay, we know
That
that we
was
have 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Did you circle 6? What about the circles that are not grouped? What do those represent?
Those are the ones that jumped away. So what can we do to
Those
those?
are the grasshoppers that jumped away. How can we show that these grasshoppers jumped away?
They went away. We crossed them out.
Cross them out. On your whiteboard, write a number sentence that shows what we just did,
Okay.
and then we can compare.
So we had 9 grasshoppers. 3 went away because that's how many we crossed out. And we had 6 left in our jar.
Let's check. Did you write 9 minus 3 equals 6? How many grasshoppers jumped away?
3.
3. Circle the part of the number sentence that shows this answer. Fantastic. I think you're ready for the problem set. Your must-do problems are 1 and 2. Do your very best thinking for 10 minutes, and if there's time left over, try 3 and 4 as well. You did fantastic. You used math drawings to find a mystery number when you didn't know how many had gone away. I am very proud of you. I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.
Okay, guys, let's zoom out because I'm really close to you. All right, so let's talk about our problem set today, okay? Whoops, wrong way. There we go. All right, so we have talked about finding the mystery number when we don't know how left. But what did you notice about our problems today? Let's look at this one that we still have on our board, okay? I noticed that we were solving for the mystery number today by using subtraction. But I also noticed that we circled the part that we did know and crossed out how many left our story. So today we didn't just cross out or we didn't just circle, we did both. And that helped us solve our mystery. So drawing that picture out, circling what we do know and crossing out the ones that have left, help us solve that mystery. Draw out those pictures, cross out the ones that go away or are, taken out. That helps us see. Circle the groups you do know. We had a total of 9. We circled the 6 because we knew we had 6. Then 3 we knew was left over. Okay, so this is going to help you on your problem set. Keep that in mind. So let's look at our problem set. Zoom in a little bit so you can see better. All right, good math detectives always read the directions first so they know what they are solving for. It says make a math drawing. We've got to do a drawing and circle the part you know. Cross out the unknown part. Complete the number sentence in number bond. Okay, so there's a lot there. We have to make a math drawing. Well, look, this one's already got a math drawing for you. We're going to circle the part we know, cross out the part we don't know. Okay, our mystery number is going to get crossed out. The part we do know is going to get circled. We're going to complete our number bond, complete our number sentence, and look down here. Here's a statement. We need to fill it in. So let's look. Kate made 7 cookies. Count and make sure 7 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we're good. Bill ate some. Now Kate has 5 cookies. How many cookies did Bill eat? Okay, so let's look at that. How many cookies did we have all together? 7. 7 was my whole or my total. So I'm going to put total here. Bill ate some of my cookies. Don't know how many. Now she has 5 cookies. Okay, that 5 cookies, that's important. We need to circle 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the 5 that I know. I'm going to put it over here. That's the piece she has left, and Bill ate some. I'm going to put a B for Bill because that's how many he ate. Now, can I take what I know and fill in here? I have 7 cookies all. Bill ate some. Now I have 5 cookies left. Can I mark out the unknown because he ate them? They're all gone. Yes, I can. How many did he eat? He ate 2. So now I can put 2 in my mystery box. Now we're not done because we still have our statement. Bill ate blank cookies. We said that he ate 2 cookies. It answered my question. How many cookies did Bill eat? Bill ate 2 cookies. Now, you are going to do number 1 and 2 and the exit ticket, okay? Remember, you're going to draw out your math sentence or your picture, circle the part you know, cross out your unknown. Fill in your number bond, fill in your number sentence, complete your statement, okay? Well, that has to be done in order for you to solve this problem. So make sure you're doing all parts. When you finish 1 and 2, go do your exit ticket and then you can submit it to me and we will be all done because we already debriefed today. So I will see you guys with the next lesson.